Lot number 500 is a 2011 Chevy Tahoe. This one appears to have a bad motor. It's got a 5.3 liter V8 with 133,000 miles. The motor appears to be locked up. It may be hydro locked. I'm gonna hit the starter so you could hear it. That's all I can get. Feels like the starter's trying to turn the motor, but it's just not spinning. I'll show you the miles. 133,419 miles. Take a look at the oil stick. The oil does not appear to have water in it, but the motor appears to be locked up. So it's being sold as is. Mechanical conditions are unknown. It appears to have a bad motor. The body is straight. The paint still looks fair. This may clean up. It's been parked underneath a tree for a long time, so it does look moldy and dull, but this truck may clean up well. It has a very straight body. The headlights are dull. It's got the 4 matching steel wheels, step boards. All the doors open and close as they should. Cargo door opens and stays up. Cargo area looks good. This one has carpet inside. It's got nice seats. There's a couple of screw holes. On some panels have screw holes because of emergency lights that were removed. So you'll see a couple of screw holes here and there. The headliner looks good. This one has dual AC. Unknown if the AC was working or not. Nice black vinyl seat in the rear. Appears to be in good shape. It's got carpet all throughout. The dashboard is cracked. Very common on these for the dashboard to crack around here. The rest of it looks okay. It's got the center console. The armrest is torn. Passenger seat looks good. Carpet looks nice. All the door panels are in place. They all appear to be in good shape. And again, the body is very straight. This truck should clean up well. It will need a motor, it will need mechanical work. Motor, automatic transmission, and exhaust all appear to be complete. This one doesn't look like it was picked at for parts. Driver's side door panel looks good. It's missing the window controls. The driver's seat is torn. The dashboard is cracked on this side as well. And the pillar cover here has been removed. Squeaky door. Here's the rear door panel, looks nice. Rear seats and rear door panels, rear carpet all look really nice. Didn't see much action. Let's look at these hinges. Shows a little surface rust, but no rust stitches as far as I can tell. Alright, so there you have it. It's a Chevy Tahoe. It's a police package vehicle. It's got the steel wheels, the vinyl seat in the rear. It does have carpet, and it's got the nice seats in the front with the center console. This is lot number 500. It's being sold with a bad motor. Mechanical conditions are unknown. Good luck.